Now there's the shot on Stefan Yell, and the second one. I think
prototypical Boston Bruin type player, but the Bruins let him go, and now he's on a team with a...
Here's a fight back in the zone. Rogers and Hennigan, I believe, or Merzen. That's Dana Merzen, and that was a very intense scrap.
This is Odger's 9th fight of the season. Every game he's been with the Avalanche.
He gets in your face, doesn't he?
Now here's the hit by Brashear. Is it a dirty hit? Well, not bad. Forearm. And there's the little chop. Well, the second one is the one that warranted the penalty, and that's why Deadmarsh is going off.
Good. McLean will play it on the ledge there, and Lume. And now Francois Leroux eyes Noonan, and Olin gets involved.
And here comes Donald Brashear over. And immediately the linesmen are involved. Jay Shears and our friend Shane Heyer.
And I think Deadmarsh going off again, and Brashear heads to the box.
Well, here it is. Could have danced all night. And unsportsmanlike conduct penalty called against Adam Deadmarsh, and Joe Sakic goes over to complain about it. But
that's what he was telling Lacroix. If you had been with me on that last one, you'd have a
here we go. Leroux and Brashear.
Leroux's had some big ones with Sandy McCarthy this year, and now testing Brashear. See if somebody gets loose.
They're in pretty tight quarters here. I think they're going to tire themselves out before anybody gets loose. Yeah, there's the takedown. And Jay Shears and Shane Heyer get in. Two of the strongest linesmen in the league.
You think Francois Leroux was at it with the Detroit Red Wings in mind? Can't keep it in, and here's Bure. In again. Second break, second goal. Pavel Bure, shorthanded. Scott Walker in the corner, watched by Lefebvre. Jelena takes a bump. And now Clem on the far side. And here comes a penalty as a Canuck was taken down, and they're all going to meet up in the corner. Sean Donovan, I think, was going to get the initial penalty.
I think there was going to be an interference call from Mark Fawcett on the play as Donovan was tied up. Scotty Walker has a broken nasal bone. He wears a shield from an altercation with Chris Murray. Well, Murray was still...
Here's a chance for Bure, and he scores! Pavel Bure has the hat trick. And this one is in the books. A 6-4 victory for the Colorado Avalanche.